you?
Hi, I'm Andy. I'm showing Nikki how to clip a tire. We are at the pit, Singapore. So if you're ever in town, just come visit us and have a go at this baby.
All right, here we go, guys. My first time flipping a tire. Oh my gosh!
We're going for five flips. Yep. This is her first time doing it.
Okay.
Okay, so you're gonna lean against the tire.
I have to lean.
There you go. That's one. Two. Let's go. One more.
One more. I got one more in me. I am strong. I am great. I can do anything.
There you go. Good job.
Yes.
That's 90 kilos, by the way. That's a 90 kilo tire.
Woo.